Hi, I'm Scott Maasen with the Maasen Law Firm, and today I want to talk to you about what to do if you get a DUI. If you get pulled over by a police officer and you've been drinking or you have drugs in your system, it's one of the most serious situations you can find yourself in Arizona, even if it's a first offense, because of the DUI laws and the punishments with them are so serious. So the best thing you can do is really think about it ahead of time and have a plan. If someone officer pulls you over, what you really need to do is you need to provide them three things: your license, your insurance, and your registration. I have those three things paper clipped in my glove box or in the side of my car. I call that the package. So you crack your window, you give that information to the officer. And if you've been drinking or you have drugs in your system, again, you're feeling not real confident that you're going to pass a test, the first thing you should do to tell the officer is you want to speak to an attorney. And why that's important, even if you don't have my name or an attorney's name or anybody in your phone immediately, that changes the rules of what the officer can do and what he can require you to do and what he can ask you. Because at that point, he can't ask you any other specific questions. He'd have to give you a reasonable amount of time in a private place to talk with a lawyer, so you could give your specific information to a lawyer so someone could talk to you and give you specific advice of what you can do. The last thing you want to do is get out of the vehicle, answer all the questions, do the field sobriety test, admit to drinking. The more you do those type of things and give information to the police officer, you're giving him a reason ultimately to arrest you and make a case and then get a case filed in court. So if you remember one thing from this video, you have to give them your basic information, give that to the officer, and then tell them you want to speak with an attorney. Keep our name and number in your phone under DUI or attorney, A for attorney. My name is Scott Maasen. I'm with the Maasen Law Firm. We're happy to talk with you 24/7. We have somebody, attorney on call every time of day, every hour of day, every day of the year to give you emergency advice if you're pulled over by an officer. But again, remember, think about it ahead of time, have a game plan, and the first thing you should do is really ask for an attorney and not do or say anything else until you speak to someone.